Understeer is when you hit the wall at the front of the car. Oversteer is when you hit the wall at the back of the car. Meaning understeer is also kind of referred to as push. It's kind of like when you turn the wheel, the car really doesn't want to turn and it keeps going. It's got to turn more and more and more, put more turn into it, you get more scrub to get the turn, and or lift off the gas to get the front to bite. In the back, when it's the oversteer, it's like, the back's getting too loose and you need to control that. If you had to choose between one or the other, understeer is far preferable to oversteer. Now, some people say, "Oh no, I like my car nice and loose, so I can drive it like that." Well, it might look pretty spectacular. It might be quick for maybe a lap, but it's going to wear you out, and you're going to get caught out. When I set cars up to qualify, we'll set them up just a teeny bit on the loose side because that's going to be a little bit quicker for qualifying. But for the race, pull that back out and just make it so there's just a little teeny bit of understeer, because having oversteer for an entire race, you're going to wear the driver out, and at some point he's going to make a mistake. So it's better to have just a teeny bit of understeer to kind of keep the car safe, because the way you fix understeer, you take your foot out of the gas. People when they get oversteer, they think, the way to fix oversteer is to put the foot into the gas and get that thing going sideways. Well, you really can't do that very much before you get caught out.